Okay, so in previous videos we've learned how to draw a tangent, okay, but it was a tangent that kind of sat over the top of the circle like that, okay, so it went here. So what was called was an exterior tangent, okay. Now what we're going to learn about in this video is we're going to learn how to do an interior tangent. So what's going to happen is the tangent is actually going to run through the interior of this kind of the gap between the two circles. So first setup is going to be pretty similar. So we're going to connect up the two lines, the two center points, right? And that's going to create a line. When we've done that, we're going to find the center of that kind of that point, okay, or that line. So let's do that. Take our compass, set it up here now. We're going to place it over, and we're going to place it like extend it out to more than halfway. Okay. Perfect. So we're just finding the center point. Now, when we connect up the two dots where the arcs collide, okay, what happens is we find the center point of this line. Just here. Now, just like previous methods, we're going to actually draw our semicircle in. Perfect. Okay. Now, here's where kind of things get a little bit different, okay? So, when we were doing the exterior tangent, this tangent ran over this side here, we subtracted, okay, or we subtracted the distance here, all right? So, what we want to do now is we actually want to add, okay? We want to add the smaller circle, okay? The radius of the smaller circle to the radius of the larger circle. So we've got it there. We just added it to the radii here. And what we can do now is we can take our compass, set it on the center point of the circle, rotate it upwards, okay? And again, where it hits our semicircle, that is the point that we are looking for, okay? So what do we do then? We connect it up to our center point, and that is that locates our first of our 2 points we need to draw the tangent, okay? So that's our first point there on the tangent, okay? Now, so just like in previous methods where we found the exterior tangent for the interior, we use sliding set squares to take the angle over here. So that's our center point there, and that's the angle out. And what we're going to do is we're just going to bring down our angle, okay? And draw through like so. Perfect. Now, connect up the two lines like so. And that is the interior tangent. So, key differences to the previous method we used for the exterior tangent is that instead of subtracting the smaller circle's radius from the larger circle, you add it. So it's addition. Okay, so you take the radius here, add it to the radius of the smaller circle, rotate this kind of circle upwards until it collides, the arc here collides with that of the semicircle here. Once we have that, we have the angle. We have 1 point where it hits the circumference, and we can take it in there. Thank you. Thank you for watching.